We're staying in the Celestial Suite at the Helios Grand Hotel at Epic Universe. Come on in. So when you first walk in, you have a cute little kitchenette in here. It has a fridge. There is no, there is a freezer down here. So you have a freezer down here. It's brand new, it's still taped up. They have a microwave, they do have some coffee. And then here's just some extra storage. Oops, sorry. Here is your half bathroom because this couch does pull out. So once you come over here, you have your little, kitchen set where you can sit, or your little table that you can sit here and have and eat some food or whatever you need to do. And then over here is your pull-out couch. It is connecting to a room next door. I'm not sure what the room is, so if you did need connecting rooms, this is a great little hangout area. The views are insane. Hello, Epic Universe. So this one is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So we have a king bed in here, and they made it really awesome and super accommodating. They obviously you have views in both rooms. There's a desk in here, so anything you need. There is a closet as well behind the door. So if you're here for a long time, it is accommodating. There's a safe, some extra pillows and some extra blankets. I do have to say the team members here are absolutely incredible. They're like, anything you need, please let us know. There's a concierge team that you can just text them. So awesome. I wanted to point out how they have the outlets. I love it. So there's a USB-C, USB, and then two, and they're actually on both sides of the bed. And then the bathroom, 2 sinks, a towel, 2 sinks and a shower. There is no bathtub. So people with babies, there's no bathtub. I know my son always loves to have a bath, so he will be showering instead. Again, 2 toilets, but it's super accommodating. I would say a family of 4, 5, 6 would actually be very comfortable here, especially if you brought some air mattresses or something like that. It's a lot of big space and so nice and so great. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We will have a lot of Epic Universe content coming soon.